Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed June plum. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 ripe June plums, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget a small piece of fresh ginger for that aromatic kick. We'll also use 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and a teaspoon of allspice. A pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper will round out the flavors perfectly. Now let's get those June plums ready. Start by washing them well under cool water. Next, carefully peel the skin from each plum. Once peeled, cut them into halves or quarters, making sure to remove the large seed. While you're at it, finely chop your onion, mince the garlic, and grate the ginger. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. It's time to start stewing. In a medium pot, sauté the chopped onion, minced garlic, and grated ginger until they become fragrant. Then, add your prepared June plums to the pot, stirring gently to coat them. Now, pour in the brown sugar, vinegar, allspice, salt, and black pepper. Add about 1 cup of water, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Almost done. Check your June plums for tenderness. They should be soft but still maintain their shape. Taste the stew and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps a little more sugar for sweetness or a pinch more salt. Let the stew rest for about 5 minutes off the heat. Serve these warm, delicious stewed June plums as a delightful side dish or even as a unique sweet treat. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.